guys.
Hey, what's up, random people?
Queen's here and
Francois here. How you doing?
my little brother right here, and we trying to try sushi for the first time. Are you excited?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I'm not excited.
Come on, it's gonna be good, sis. I promise.
I took a couple pictures, so watch this. Okay, sushi. And that's my brother's sushi.
Looks good, right?
And this is my sushi. And shout out to all the Japanese out there. We got it. No, thank you for
I love your
We
animes.
love the anime, but we don't do the food.
I love your anime. She doesn't even watch anime.
I don't, but he does. So I don't know what mine called. I really don't.
We just call it sushi.
I'm gonna try this one first.
Which one?
Like it looks like it has like some banana in there, and
does not look
and
good.
chicken and white. What is your babe?
Okay, so for now, I'm gonna try this one. It looks the same as hers.
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing, like a little banana and shit.
It looks delicious though.
And watch out, it's the first time.
It smells weird. Daddy, it
Okay,
smells
we're not gonna
weird.
smell the food. So we're gonna try it with, I'm gonna try mine with mayo. It's spicy.
And as you know, I do not like condiments on my food, so just
Yeah,
gonna try it.
I'm gonna try with spicy mayo. And ready,
Yeah, sure.
set,
Go.
go. Okay.
It tastes nice. It tastes nice.
Okay, I don't like it.
It's nice.
Okay, mayo is not my thing.
Try it without the
Of
mayo.
sushi, but my brother like it, and I get
It's
out
nice. Babe, try
Wow.
sushi. Look. Tastes like banana.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Okay, so now you get it. So Queen, you don't like it, but
Francois loves it.
yes, I love it. So that's your enjoyment, baby. And I'm sorry. I guess I will never be able to, visit China, Japan. Is it Japan?
Japan.
Try this one. Let me see this one.
Okay, so hey, you should try this one too.
I don't have that one.
Okay, so the thing I bought. Okay, ready? It doesn't look as nice.
Okay, this is raw food. This is more like the food is not cooked. It's raw. It's really raw food. It's raw food.
I'm not gonna lie to you. It doesn't look as nice as the other one because I like the other one because it's really good and I love the banana part. Just absolutely delicious. So let's try this one. Here you go.
I'm not gonna try it.
Try it.
It's raw food.
Try it. You should try it. Come on.
Okay. I'm not gonna try it.
Try
What do you
it.
think? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
Ready?
2,
Yeah.
1. Oh! Trash.
Okay, so now
Trash
you get
because
it.
of the sauce. This is the main reason why it's trash.
It's a cheese, so you get it. You don't like cheese. So if peppermint number 2 fail.
But shout out to that banana one though. Still delicious.
Alright, they also have vegetables one with
But
carrot and
you know I hate
spinach.
vegetables.
So we're gonna put that aside too. But now you get
We
it.
will save this for my suffering.
So as you can see, we have different type of sushi. And watch out next time for Queen D and
Friends, like, wait a second, we still got this. Alright, so the only sushi I know. Okay, so the only sushi I like is this one. This is nice.
Okay, now you get it. He's not a really sushi person. And I'm not either. So watch out next. And this is Queen D.
And Prince Wise.
And we'll see you next time. Love you guys.
Remember, try the banana sushi, stay away from the others. Trash.